Hi, this is Mark with Right Line Trading. This is our evening newsletter, starting with this disclaimer that all signals and trading opportunities that we provide are for demonstration and educational purposes only. Everyone should understand that trading the markets involves substantial risk, and then a person loses a substantial amount of money. Always carefully consider your financial position prior to trading. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Consult a financial advisor prior to making any trade. Now, oftentimes I try to look for unusual opportunities that we have in the market that I see. I'm actually looking at a couple right now of stocks that you really don't ordinarily see traded, but really today I think the cream of the crop is Qualcomm. I mean, it has delivered tremendously over the last month, and I see that trend continuing. You can see it took a pullback, but as the market progressed throughout the day, buyers came in and just pulled Qualcomm right out from this retracement. I mean, they didn't let it sit there very long at all. And I think that's a very, very bullish signal. So I would not be concerned about the amount of movement we've had to the upside already on Qualcomm. I think there's a lot more left to go. Remember, there are a couple of things that you have to consider in the economy. Number one is that the fear of the Omicron epidemic is really beginning to wane. I mean, it's just lost its steam. It's being perceived now as a very infectious but very mild illness, in sum total. And although you might catch it, the symptoms are very minor. And I don't know what the death toll is in the United States from this virus, but it's exceedingly low. So it's essentially nothing more than an influenza type illness, and we certainly don't run and hide during flu season. As an aside, there's now an avian bird flu epidemic in certain parts of the world, which could spread to the United States, but that's neither here nor there for now. Bottom line, though, is Omicron fear is abating, and I think these lockdowns are going to relax. We're going to see supply chain problems start to eventually completely dissolve. Chip shortages will dissolve, and I see that we've got a great shot at getting a continued bullish move on Qualcomm. Sometimes you just stick with the winner. Don't look around for hidden gems when the biggest winner of all is sitting right under your nose. I recommend Qualcomm either as a stock or as an options trade, and I see it as a very, very strong stock throughout the month of January. Everyone have a great evening, and I will talk to you tomorrow.